What's up guys, it's Matteo. Welcome back to the channel. So here in Ontario, we got a lockdown and we can't really do much, but because it's a lockdown, we do get more time to mod our cars. So today we're gonna take off my back bumper and we're gonna try and put on the GLI rear lip that I have, and we're gonna try and put on the GLI side skirts that I have. So I'm gonna show you guys the installation, and I'm gonna show you guys the skirts that I bought for the car. Alright guys, so here is the GLI rear lip. This thing is gonna look so good on the Jetta, and I have a single tip right now, but I got the dual tip, and we're gonna put a dual tip exhaust on the Jetta rather than the single one it has right now. Alright guys, so we put the car on jack stands, and we took off the wheels because there are some screws we got to get back here to take off the whole bumper. So the reason why we're taking off the bumper is just to make it a little easier for us to line up the skirt properly and the bumper properly. So we're going to take it off so it's better access to it, and yeah, just to make sure everything lines up perfectly, and yeah. Alright guys, so you have to go in the trunk and take off these 3 nuts holding the taillights, and then there's another one holding here to take off the bumper. Alright guys, after you take out these T30s on each side, then there's 3 more down where the bumper was, and then it should come out. So here is the back bumper. It came off. Took a while to do, but it came off. So now we gotta take off the plastic trim that's down here and put on the GLI rear lip. This looks so cool without the bumper. Never seen it like this before. Hey guys, so we ran into problems. The last clip you saw was on Sunday. Today's Wednesday, and basically what happened is the Aftermarket GLI skirt that I got, it doesn't fit. That's the problem with Aftermarket. You run into problems. Sometimes it's either a hit or a miss. Sometimes it can fit perfectly, sometimes it can't. But let me show you what happened. So this is the original gray trim that was on the car, and then here is the GLI lip. So when we lined them up, this side was pretty much like an inch short. So we tried modifying it, tried fitting it properly, and it just didn't want to go. So yeah, so this one doesn't work. I have a feeling that this lip is for the Golf, because I think the Golf back end is more rounder than the Jetta. So I don't know if the guy gave me a GTI lip instead of a GLI lip, but who knows guys. So basically guys, what's happening, I ordered a OEM GLI lip from the dealer, and it's supposed to come today. So let's keep our fingers crossed that it comes today, and I'm gonna try and get it in the paint booth, try and get the guy to paint it for us, and hopefully I can put this on quickly. So the main reason why I got an Aftermarket lip was because it's way cheaper, and this fender that I have is Aftermarket, and it fits perfectly fine on the car. So I don't know, it's just either hit or miss, like I said before, but I'm getting the OEM one, so just to save the hassle and just make it fit perfectly. So on May 22nd we got a season opener car meet, and everyone's trying to get their cars ready. I know Billy's trying to get a wing on his GTI ready. He's got subs that he's going to put in. So we're all trying to hustle to get our cars ready. So hopefully I can get this on before that time. So an update guys. So I went to the dealership and I went to go pick up my part, and it turned out it wasn't the right part. So basically the guy told me that they don't make the GLI rear lips anymore, like the OEM ones. So you can't buy them OEM anymore. So basically Aftermarket is where you're gonna have to get a GLI lip. So the part number that I ordered, that it said GLI on it, but it turned out to be just this regular plastic trim one. So I returned it back, and I'm still stuck with my aftermarket one. So when I got home, my dad and I, we were just playing around with the aftermarket one, and we kind of modified it a bit. And you know what? It actually worked out. So I'll show you guys, and I'll show you guys what we did to it. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like. It looks really good. I love the GLI look on it, and pretty much what was happening. One side would fit flush, and then the other side would be literally, guys, like an inch short on the other side. So what we did was we took the aftermarket one, and we pretty much cut just thin pieces in the inside, and that made it fit more flush in the tabs in the bumper. So when it made it more flush, it pretty much pushed the inch gap forward, and that allowed it to kind of level itself out, and pretty much got a better gap on the side there. So it took a lot of modifying, but you know what? I think it's worth it. It looks really good. All the gapping here is really nice, and yeah, I love the way it looks, and we're probably gonna put it on the car tomorrow, and I'll show you guys how it turns out. The main thing I love about this one is the dual tip. So I can't wait to get rid of my single one and put a dual tip here, and I think it will look really good, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is finally the install of the bumper. So now that I showed you that we got the GLI lip on the bumper, now it's time to put it on today, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, guys, so earlier in the video I showed you how to take off the bumper. So now we pretty much have to just do reverse order to put it back on. Alright, guys, so the skirt's on. It looks really good, but I'm not going to show you guys yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys when this is on. So these are the two dual tips. They're 3-inch, and I got this off of Amazon. And I'm going to go to the exhaust shop, and I'm going to get them installed, and then I'm going to show you guys the final reveal of the skirts. Alright, guys, let's head over to the exhaust shop. Alright, guys, so I went to the exhaust shop, and the tips are on. It looks so good, and it's time for the reveal. So here we go.
What that make you? Good? You're not good. You just know how to hide, how to lie. Me, I don't have that problem. Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie. So say good night to the bad guy.
Alright, guys, I hope you like that install. Hope you like the way it looks. And there's more coming to the Jetta. I got some side skirts that I'm going to put on and show you guys, just to complete the skirt package of the car. So we got Nolan's TL over there. We got Shane's G35.
It's for sale.
It's for sale?
$10,000, but for you, $99999. Best deal for you.
Oh. Alright, guys. Take her easy.